Hello, I just want to explain the difference between these three, okay? Because a lot of you guys actually make mistakes in writing na, this na. Alright, so this one is ye, which means moon, right? So how you write ye? Ye is like this, pie. And then heng, ze, go, and you have heng, heng. So the first one, the first stroke is pie here, alright? Now, how do you write na? Na. Na li. Na. This na. The first stroke is this one, middle part here. Heng, ze, go. And then, this part here. Pie. And then, heng, heng. So, and then you have this part here. Right. So, for this na, there's this extra line here, whereas ye, it doesn't have. You know why? Because for ye, you start with pie, and then heng, ze, go, and then heng, heng. Whereas for na, you start with the middle part first, heng, ze, go, and then pie here, and then you have heng, heng here. Okay, so that's the difference between this ye and this na here. Alright, now what's the difference between this na and this na? Very easy. It's just this extra ko. Alright, if I add this ko here, then it becomes na. Got it? This one is ye, which is moon. You start with pie, and then heng, ze, go, and then heng, heng. Now this na, you start with heng, ze, go, and then pie, and then heng, heng. And then your city radical. Now this one na, you start with ko radical, and then heng, ze, go, pie, and then heng, heng, and then you have the city radical. Okay, so no more of writing ye for the word na or na. Okay, remember when you write na or na, this part here is heng, ze, go first, and then pie, and then heng, heng. Alright, and then you have the city radical there. Oops, this one is shu. Alright, that's the difference between the moon, ye radical, and this na.